Welcome back, ladies and gents. Welcome back to another video on the channel. So today we are going to be looking at OBS Studio and portable mode and why we might use it. So let's just get into it. Yeah. So first off, we're going to go to the OBS projects website, the download section. If you go to the home bit, then you can just click there. We're going to go to the download section just there, download the zip. We're not going to do the installer, we are going to do the zip folder. You download that, it's around about, I think it's 9800 meg. It takes a little bit of time depending on your internet, obviously. Once it has downloaded, we go to downloads and it will come to you a zip folder. You have to extract that from, extract that all. I'm not going to do that because I've already done it once. It just, again, it takes a little bit of time because there's a bit of data there, but not that long. Once you've done that, it will give you the folder here. So what we need to do to make this open up in a portable instance and doesn't select all your data and your information from your app data and all your scenes collections from previous or your main OBS, is to right click, and we've already got it there, as you can see. Just create a text document with portable _mode. Make sure you do spell that correct, or else this won't work. And then what we can do is we can go to bin 64-bit and scroll down to OBS 64, and it will open there. What it should do as well, and it will do it if you've done it correctly, is it will do auto configure wizard, and it will start that up for you as well if you've done that right. It hasn't for me because I've obviously gone into it to make sure I've loaded it up correctly. The one bit I will also suggest, because when it comes with completely blank and there's no plugins, there's nothing there, is to just get all your plugins and everything you've got on, like your main OBS. Can go to, let me first go to your local DSC drive, program files. Where is it? Where is it? I've gone too far down. Can't see it. OBS Studio, and then we can copy data and OBS plugins. Highlight both of them. So just, oh no, hang on. There we go. Highlight both of them. Copy those, and then we can go back into your portable one. You can go to and then just paste it into this folder here. It will, depending on how many plugins you've got, it might take a moment. Just overwrite all those folders, and then when you do open that other instance of OBS, it will then load up with all your plugins that you've got on your previous one. And if you want to install new plugins, that's the way to do it. So download a zip folder if they've got a zip folder. Take that data and OBS plugins from it and paste it into that folder, and then you can test a plugin without doing it on your main one. It's pretty good, to be fair. It does mean that if you are also recording like I do, you can have one instance of OBS open to record, and then the other one to show what you're trying to do when you're doing it. So show off a plugin or a filter or whatever on your different OBS. And then the other main benefit is, once you've done all this, if you want to take it to another computer, you can put it on a hard drive. You can put it on. You can put it in the cloud if you want. So on Google Drive, and then you've got it always there, and it's always backed up or it's safe. It's always not a bad idea to copy a lot of this stuff and have it as a backup anyway, because you know what PCs and stuff can be. Yeah, not great. So hopefully this helps. If you have got any questions, do drop them in the comments below. Also, make sure you do subscribe and like the video. We're on the way to trying to get you. Well, anyway, as for now, I will stop waffling. Let's do. Oh, hang on, what have we pressed there? Ah, we pressed the wrong button. We pressed the wrong button. There we go. So much going on in my OBS and my. Anyway, enough waffling now. Right, okay. Catch you all in the next one. Peace out. Bye.